Good evening, students. Welcome to your science online class. Today is the very first day of your science online class, and in this session you are going to see many videos in your school YouTube channel. Today, as you can see on the board, we will start with a new chapter, that is living things. Now I think you have a clear concept about living and non-living things, as we have already done in class 4. Now this chapter is about living things. So here also again some recapitulations of the previous chapter, what you have done in your class 4, and in addition some more informations you are going to get about living things as you are a little bit grown up now. So this chapter is about living things. So as you know, in our environment you can see different types of things, isn't it? Some are living, some are non-living. Now among living things in our surrounding, in our nature, whatever we can see, plants and animals, and they are categorized as living things, isn't it? Different types of plants are there, different types of animals are there, their eating habit, their living habit, their life cycle is different from one to the other. Like that, non-living things can also be divided into two different category. One is natural and one is man-made. So if I make a chart like this, you can see that living things and non-living things. Now among living things, as I have told you, we can categorize into two different parts, plants and animals. And non-living things again into two different category. One is natural and one is man-made. Now what is the difference between these two? Now among living things, two different parts you can easily understand, plants and animals. Plants, those who are having leaf, they can make their own food and all, and animals, they have to collect food from the environment, or like human being, they prepare their own food, isn't it? And animals, they roam from one place to the other in search of food. Now non-living things, we are categorizing it into two different parts, that is natural and that one is man-made. So when we will start this chapter, we will see that non-living things, these two types are mentioned. What is natural? Natural means we can understand by the name that what is coming from nature, isn't it? So nature means the sun, moon, star, mountain, river, isn't it? So different thing which we have got from nature directly. And the example of man-made non-living things are what we are using: chair, table, chalk, duster, books, bag, isn't it? Now how we are building houses for living, isn't it? The animals, they are making their own nests and their own shelter for their own purpose. So natural things, natural non-living things are the things which we are getting from the nature automatically, like sun, moon, star, whatever we are seeing in our nature, we don't have to make it, isn't it? But man-made things means the things which are made by man, means they are made for our own benefit, for our own purpose. Like the board we like the board we are using, the chalk we are using, everything is man-made, isn't it? Because we have made it for our own benefit. Now the book which you are reading now, it is for our own purpose. Bus, car, house, buildings, park, isn't it? Example, these are the example of man-made non-living things. These are non-living things which are made by man for their own benefit. So today in the first video, we will just start the first paragraph. You can see many things. Please go to page number 25. You can see many things around you. There are various kinds of plants and animals. There are also a large number of non-living things. Some of these are natural, while others are human made, made by human. So made by human and man made is the same. So the sun, moon, rocks and water and air are natural non-living things. The air which we are breathing in and out, is it made by us? No. This is we are getting from our nature. It is a natural thing. So which nature is providing us is called natural things. And paper, cloth, cars, television and computer are non-living things made by human. So some things are there, as I have told you, the things which are made by us for our own use, for our own purpose. Like paper we are writing, cloth we are wearing, we are using it in different purpose. Car we are traveling from one place to the other. Television we are getting information, we are getting news, we are being entertained by television programs. And finally computer, nowadays it is very important, we are using every day and all time for our education purpose, for official purpose, for internet purpose we are using computer. So from this video we have learned that in our environment we can divide into our environment can be divided into two different things. One is living things, another one is non-living things. So living things, those who have life, and non-living things, this is the first basic difference what you can say, that when you are going to get the PDF you are going to see the difference between living things and non-living things. So non-living things, they do not have life. Again, living things can be divided into plants and animals. It's no need to explain that plants which we can see and animals which are mainly they live in forest, and human beings are also categorized as a part of animals. Now non-living things are natural, which we are getting from nature, and man-made is made by man. The non-living things, the things which are made by man for their own benefit. This is all for today. In the next video we are going to see the different characteristics of living things. Thank you so much.